Hi everyone, this is Bilal Khan and you are watching Simplified Coding. Today I just got this new mic for my new videos of course, and this is Rode Wireless Go mic. And in this video we will unbox this product. I got it from Amazon India, and we will see how the audio sounds when we record with the help of this microphone. So let's unbox it first. So as I'm not a professional unboxer, I have this scissor to unbox this product. I don't have a blade. So let's do it very quickly. And yeah, throw this thing. And this is Rode Wireless Go. And I have the invoice from Amazon. So the audio that you are listening to right now is being recorded with this AudioTechnica dynamic microphone, but I was not able to connect this mic to my Canon M50, and that is why I bought this mic, because this is a wireless mic. I can even take this mic to outdoor shooting, and that is why I got this mic. So let's open the box, and again I'll use a knife because I am not a professional unboxer. So the box is opened. Let's see what comes inside. So yeah, let's put it here. We have, I think it is a manual, and I don't think anyone reads the manual. And then we have this cable, and this is, I think, is windshields, I'm not sure. And then we have a pouch to carry the mics. So this is Velcro, and yeah, pouch seems nice. And then we have the main thing, that is a transmitter and a receiver, as you can see here. I think this one is the receiver and this one is the transmitter. So we also have this Type-C cable. So we have this Type-C cable with this mic, and finally we have this. So this is here is the receiver, and this one is the transmitter. So this one you can keep it here in your collar or anywhere, or you can keep it to your pocket, and you can also connect a mic to it, so you can keep it in your pocket and you can use the lapel mic if you're using it. So this is the receiver and it will go to your camera, and let's turn it on. So when I turn it on, so we have a display screen here to see what is the status of the device. So here we can see the battery and we can also see the connection. So we also need to turn on this thing, this device. This is the transmitter. It will record the audio and send it to this device. So we will turn it on. And now you can see both devices are connected. So if I speak here, you can see it is recording the audio or receiving the audio. Hi guys, this is just a sound check. So you can see the audio is getting recorded. So this will go to the camera and you can put it here and you can record the audio. And actually we have one more thing in this box that I forget to open. So we have two Type-C cables, because you need to charge both these devices, and that is why we have two cables to charge the transmitter and receiver. So now we have everything here, and we will check the audio quality and we will record the audio directly with the camera. So I have the transmitter here with this windshield, and now I will connect this receiver to my camera, and to connect it with camera we need this cable. So we will put the cable here, as you can see, and I will connect the next end to my camera. So now the audio is being recorded with the help of this mic, and I hope the quality is good, because I will be using this mic for all my upcoming videos. And if you want to buy this mic, then I have given the link in the description of this video, and you can get it from Amazon India. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. I'm not a professional unboxer, and it was I think I created this unboxing video for the second time, and I think I have improved in terms of unboxing products. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up, and you can share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.